There's my foot here. I'm trying to slip them on as best as I can. Let's try that. What's up, guys? I hope you guys are having an awesome day. It's your boy Stan out here. Before I start my review video on a particular product that I'm going to be reviewing today, I want to personally say thank you for helping me reach 300K in lifetime views, that is. And I need your help some more. I need more subscribers, so I need you guys to subscribe and hit the notification bell to help the channel move along ranks and stuff of that nature. And if you can't do that, just share the video with a friend on your social media. That would be greatly appreciated as well. So now today we're going to actually move to the review part of the video. And the review that I'm going to be doing today is an on-foot review of a particular shoe. It's a very different kind of shoe that I've done before. It's a very interesting shoe. It's a Nike Reactx Rejuven8. It's these right here. You can't really go wrong with it. So I'm going to go ahead and give you a real interactive review of the shoe in itself, what's good about it, what's not good. So let's get to the video further. Let's go. So this is basically the shoe in a nutshell. It's a slip-on Nike sneakers. Unfortunately, I don't have the box anymore. I threw them away. It's the Reactx sole in the back, and it has tons of circular motion inside the shoe in itself. It's kind of like a foam pad for a shoe, but it's very comfortable. I've only worn it once in the house, and that's what I'm going to be using this shoe for. It's pretty much going to be a house shoe. I don't pretty much advise you to wear this outside under any circumstances whatsoever, because the material that it's made out of cannot take the sun, and the sun will practically leak some chemicals, either paint or whatever it is, onto your foot. So it will definitely burn you too, depending on the climate that you're in. Those will definitely, if the shoe get hot, it will definitely burn your feet. But that's the design essence of the shoe in itself. There's a Nike blue swoosh over there. There's different colorways as well, but I was able to get my hands on these and I'm happy with them. This is the blue colorway. There's also fluorescent green and a few other colorways as well. I'll leave the link in the description as well as to where you can get the shoes. You can actually look on the shopping aspect of it as well. That will be available as well to you, so you can actually purchase the shoes if you're interested in getting you a pair of nice shoes for your house, or nice shoes to head out with. So practically it's all squirrely, tons of curve on the foam in itself, and the front has a bunch of holes in the front to help your toe box breathe, so to speak. I would suggest wearing these with socks, of course. I'm going to wear them on foot as well, so you guys are what they look like and how they perform, so to speak. But the foam in itself is super soft. As you can see, I'm squishing it right now and it's coming right back into shape. So it's super soft. It's very comfortable to wear in-house, and I normally would wear these with socks under any circumstances whatsoever. I'd wear these with socks inside the house just to make myself feel a little bit more comfortable with them on. Like I mentioned before, these type of foams have a kind of chemical that leaks into your skin sometimes. So it's better to wear them with your socks. That's the only con with the shoe. Other than that, the design's perfect. As you can see, the inside of the shoe in itself, the swoosh is actually transparent, matches the color of the shoe in itself, and the insole's pretty comfortable feeling. Show you there. Boom. You could squeeze it and it's coming right back into shape. So it's perfect. It's very bouncy, very spongy. very comfortable. I'm gonna actually try them on my feet to showcase those to you guys. The design element is actually crazy with these shoes. So all the swirls and the Nike swoosh in the back, all the swirls, and that's with every colorway, so to speak. So you can't really go wrong with these under any circumstances whatsoever. It's a great shoe to have, great shoe to wear inside your house. I wouldn't advise wearing it outside under any circumstances whatsoever, but I do see people playing ball and trying to do other things with these shoes. That's not what they're meant for. They're pretty much meant to be inside shoes to kick back and be comfortable in, so to speak. But they're actually very, very dope. And I was able to get mines under 60 bucks. So which is a great deal. If you can get them under 60 bucks, that's great. I'm going to put the link in the product line below. You can actually get it. And let's get into the on-foot review part of it. I'll show you guys how it feels, how it looks, and how everything works with the shoe on your feet in any way, shape, or form. It's just a slip-on. So you just slip it on like you slip on any regular pair of slippers. And that's that in a nutshell. So let's try it on, and I'm going to showcase it to you guys in the mirror. Let's go. All right, guys, this is the on-foot part of the review. There's my foot here. I'm trying to slip them on as best as I can. Let's try that. All you do is pull the back of it, and then they're in there, like so. That's how cool they look. You can move your toes. And they're super comfortable. Like I mentioned before, they are not basketball shoes. They are not shoes you play ball in. They are not shoes you go running in. They're strictly to be comfortable in your home, walking around and not making a mess. I wouldn't take those outside to even save my life because of the fact that it's an in-house shoe, so to speak. It's not made to be outside. But I've seen a lot of people wear them outside. And more power to you if you choose to wear them outside, but that's not what the shoe is made for. That's pretty much the shoe in a nutshell. On my feet, all you gotta do is pull the back and slip them on. That's the front. And the breathable toe box. That's the inside. That's the outside of the shoe. That's the part you get to see the most. And the back of the shoe right there, super cool as well. And I like the whole colorway because it matches my pants. It matches my wrinkly pants. Sorry for that. But they are stupid comfortable. You could actually do anything you want inside these shoes and it will bounce right back. It feels like you have spring underneath your feet. And your feet won't hurt under any way, shape, or form by rocking these. As a matter of fact, these are perfect shoes to wear after you play ball. Or if you've been on your feet all day, these are perfect for you. Because this will help alleviate plantar fasciitis in any way, shape, or form. You can kick back, relax, and wear these shoes and not have to worry about anything. It's rather unfortunate that the material has a chemical that actually leaks into your skin. So to prevent that from happening, I would just suggest you wear it with socks as much as possible or all the time to prevent that from happening. But yeah, it's definitely a great shoe. Other than that, and they are perfect. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't hesitate to like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel, and have a good one. All right, guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.